Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a delicious cocktail called the Orange Blossom. We're going to start off with 0.25 ounces of Grenadine, half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, an ounce and a half of fresh squeezed orange juice, I keep almost grabbing the wrong thing, half an ounce of triple sec, and then an ounce and a half of your favorite brand of gin. Then we're going to add ice to our shaker tin. We're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until it's ice cold in your hands. We're also going to add ice to our rocks glass. Ooh, that was a bit much. Ignore me. Woohoo! Fly! We are going to double strain. Beautiful. All right, and then for my garnish, I've got a orange peel. And all I did was just twist it a little bit. Look at how pretty. There is our orange blossom. Of course, I'm going to taste it for you and give you my honest opinion, and I'm going to rate it. 1, I would have one cocktail and move on. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see where we are today. I'm going to throw you for a loop. The orange blossom smells like oranges. Whoa. I know. Blew your mind. Mm-hmm. I knew that was going to shock you. Very nice. Of course, the orange is right at the forefront, but the lime kind of cuts it. Like, it just gives it another added amount of citrus that's not sweet like orange juice. So it is very nice. So it cuts the sweetness down quite a bit. I really don't taste the gin. Of course, mine is a different New World style gin. So if you use something a little bit more juniper forward, it is going to change the taste of the cocktail. And of course, the color is definitely coming from that little bit of grenadine that we added as well. This is absolutely delicious. I think I'm going to give this a 4.5 out of 5. 4.5. Definitely going to hate myself. Very light, very airy, very refreshing. This is going to be a poolside cocktail for sure. Hope to see you guys at the next pour. Don't forget, ingredients are listed down below. That way you can build this cocktail right at home. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.